winter's quiet to spring's momentum. A garden waking up, one new bed at a time. Winter held the garden in a soft, patient pause. It wasn't silence, it was a kind of breath. I learned that growth begins in stillness, long before we ever break ground. Then spring arrives, and with it, the urge to build, to literally shape the earth. This season was all about laying a new foundation, setting up raised beds, leveling the ground, filling these brand new frames with rich, dark soil. There's something deeply grounded about building a home for future roots. It's hard work, but it's hopeful work. Every corner squared, every shovel full of dirt is a promise to the months ahead. With the beds built, the story shifts to what will fill them. We're expanding our footprint this year, welcoming new additions to the plot. It's incredibly rewarding to look at these freshly placed raised beds and imagine them overflowing with life. Tomatoes stretching up the new trellises, peppers soaking up the long daylight, beans climbing in rhythm with the season. It's about space created with intention, ready to be filled with color. Summer isn't just a season, it's a beautiful reward for all our spring labor. I can already picture the harvest with these new beds will bring. When I imagine the meals, I can taste the story. The quiet reward of the hands in the dirt, turning into fresh food on the table. The glow of a late afternoon sun resting on heavy, green leaves. This garden is built on hope, hard work, and a little bit of sunshine. Here's to the seasons generous with time and rich with harvest. I'll see you in the comments. Tell me what you're building and growing this year.